Chase Bays. So these are for the Blit. Brake booster elimination kits from Chase Bays.
Oh, cool.
The new 7-to-1 pedal. I think that's what it is, 7-to-1. Yeah, so the Blit doesn't have ABS anyways. So let's put some cool thing in it so the brakes actually might work. And then Kevin's car, I don't know, has some ABS issues, so we talked to Chase and they were like, yo, try these out. And we're gonna put it in one of the videos. So I cut it up. Normally I use the that 6 stand we have.
Yeah.
But it takes a while to like put the tranny on that, and that's, I mean, I've done them on the floor, but this one, I'll try the tires. I'm just sick of being on the floor. Brand new. This one's a JK. This one's a CD009.
What's the difference?
Well, this one, so I think it was like in 09 or something. They have the rev match downshift on the 370Zs, so that's what this all stuff is. Has a gear indicator and like some other extra sensors and stuff. Internally, they're basically the exact same tranny. This one's just a bit harder to fit. And surprisingly though, this one's actually cheaper.
No way.
Yeah, when we buy these brand new, the JK is cheaper than this. Honestly, the prices are going up. Normally we used to get them for like $1,000, maybe 13 for like a good, like for basically this used would be about 13. And I think these are 20, basically right around 3 grand. So I mean, it's double the price, but it's literally brand new. I've always had good results with used ones. I've had like 3 or 4 used ones that have been just like perfect. Yeah, so this is a hydraulic release bearing built in, and it's plastic. So apparently they're very, very prone to just blowing up or leaking out of the side because they're just plastic, right? So they're not very durable, I guess, with all the hydraulic pressure.
Right.
If you put like a heavier clutch on, it's probably even worse. Okay, yeah, so pretty simple. Take a cutoff guide, take a marker. Watch a YouTube video with Gerard doing this. Again. Yeah, I mean, if you buy the transmission from us, we can definitely do this for you and ship it out already assembled with the bell housing and everything on it. That's a possibility as well. We've done that for a few customers. You get some good blades because all the other ones are like just all hail. See this bearing plate?
Yep.
And then this comes off and the bell housing bolts to this and locates the brake. We gotta cut this off too. Everyone who made that video when we picked this thing up?
Yeah, dude.
I drove it for a while after that. Like I drove it daily, like kids to school, everything, and then
I feel like it's gonna be a great daily.
Yeah, it is a great daily for sure. It actually is sick because it has this.
Whoa!
It's like a half window, right?
That is dope.
Yeah. Is that wild or what?
That's so weird.
I just haven't like, yeah, I've kind of been focused on the Blit a bunch because like that's like a daily and that's my Toyota with the JZ. So
Right.
this one eventually is getting the JZ too. Well, it's supposed to be getting a V8, but yeah, I mean, I wanted to put a V8 in this thing, a VK.
Oh.
Yeah, VK 56. Yeah, like a NA, like 600 or 700 horsepower VK. It'd be pretty sick. But I mean, we have the JZ, so like Hartley Racing engines in New Zealand. Hartley Racing engines in New Zealand like makes basically they do like crazy V8 stuff. And there's a Skid Factory just got one of their motors in an old Hakosuka Skyline. And yeah, it's got ITBs and like fully sounds so sick, dude. Do a drift with no steering wheel. One of Kevin.
Oh,
He drifts with steering wheels. We drove with no steering wheels. This has a welded in and an angle kit.
When did that happen?
When I drove it daily and I had it like in the snow and shit.
Oh, I guess yeah. The normal.
Sounds pretty cool, actually.
No, it does, yeah.
Yeah, I think the lug nuts are loose.
No way.
Yeah, that's why it's like ding 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 ding.
Dude. Could you imagine if the fucking wheels
If the wheels fell off, that would suck. Yeah, no drifts with no lug nuts. Because I think we might have just put them on last time when I sold the wheels off of this thing. Also, this automatic tranny is like a 4-speed. So it's super, super sluggish and slow. Yeah, it feels like the wheel's gonna fall off. It's like ding, 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 ding. So I got to do a bunch of work on the Blit. I'm gonna do like the fenders and yeah, like widen the fenders, radius the fenders and stuff. So I have a new shop sort of set up in my house. I'm gonna try to do most of it at home, and then I'll have to daily this thing while I do that. So yeah, this thing will be back on the road, which usually means I do some work on it too, because it can't daily like a total pile of crap. So
yeah, I'm so down with this interior. Like it's so.
This is 100% G35.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all G35, like the whole.
Oh, what?
Yeah, same as Z, same as G or whatever. And then yeah, it's basically just like a 01 or 02 G35 interior, same thing. All right, so yeah, if you have an IS or a JSX110 or a Crown, you need to get the subframe bushings. We just released a new video on how to install them in the car. It's super, super easy. Diff bushings as well. We do subframe and diff, and those are on our website, SERIALNINE.com. I just want to thank everyone for getting the green shift knobs. We did pretty good in our 9-minute flash sale. And yeah, see you next week.